the Alessi, they have a tradition of putting in the markets one of the best olive oil there really is in the market. There is so many different kind of processing olives to make olive oil. One at the top is from the cold press. They put in press cold without having any treatment or any kind of heat or something. They're squeezed, and what comes out is water from one side, extra virgin olive oil from the other side, without doing nothing else to the olives. It becomes extra virgin olive oil, which is the number one quality of the oil.
We try to buy oil that suits our taste, which evidently has been successful because the product sells. We're very careful with the quality of the oil. Every drop of oil that comes in this place is chemically analyzed. My father used to put olive oil in huge quantities on everything. Well, I kind of took after him too, that, you know, I like it on bread, I like it on pasta, salads, you name it. A little drop of oil is not gonna hurt.